Hi everybody. I'm hoping London will go up here and take this blue line, but right now it's dancing off the pre-market high, which was the opening candle high. Still wanting it to take this level here. And that level right there actually would be the ideal situation, and even possibly up to here. But we may get a reversal here at this pre-market high. Got myself in a little bit of a jam. It was actually on ES. I took too short ES way back over here. Or I took them too long rather, way back over here, expecting a push that back then, and then it went down and I got in the hole. And so rather than accepting that loss, I put on a short position on NQ. And it gives you the opportunity, because I think we're in a range. And so if I see a reversal pattern here at the high of this range, it gets validated, I can take this one off, and then as this one moves down, I can offset it. And the way I monitor that is this right here, the personal daily loss limit. I'm 50 bucks in the hole. And when I put that on, I was actually, I was right at 100 bucks in the hole. But normally I wouldn't do this, but I think settlement is going to be in play today. So at some point we are going to get a reversal pattern, and I can take this off, and this one the price should go back to it eventually. We are starting to, it's kind of looking like we're putting up a reversal pattern here. So I may go ahead and take that one off here with the expectation that London would trade back down to its low in the open, since we've just pretty much ranged all night anyway. And then I can at least make this where this is a zero. I may not make profit on it, but I can at least make it a zero. And that would prevent me from losing that trade. And you can get in a jam doing that, because tonight ES is actually moving a little bit more than NQ. I mean, not point wise, but a 2-to-1 ratio. I've got two of these and one of those. A lot of times the NQ will outpace that, but tonight that's not the case. So it does appear that we're putting up a reversal pattern here. We're early in the session. 3:36. We're 30 minutes in, so the opening range of London has been completed, and we did just take that pre-market high. This low right here, it could just be reaching for that, and then we go back and we start working for this one, or this could be the reversal. I don't want to take this position off. I don't want to take this one off until we reach that. And it's okay if it's New York session when it reaches that. I don't care, because they're not going to get that far apart. You know, I'm 60 bucks in the hole right here. I figured if we got all the way to that line and this one gets all the way to this line, we're still going to be about 50, maybe 60 bucks out of whack. So not really worried about that. We're not going to get $200 or $300 out of whack. So when we finally get up here, whether it's tonight or later, I can kill this position, and we should move It's only got to move 25 points my way, and then I'm dead even, flat on the position. And that's just, you don't want to do this with big size, but you can do it with small size and get away with it. And it just prevents you from, like I was saying when I got in on this in Asia, I wanted that blue line to fall. And then when we came down here and we started making higher lows, I was thinking, okay, we're going to go to the blue line now. So I went ahead and took that long with the expectation that we would, but we didn't. We just continued to, I think I got in. So we validated that breaker. I think I ended up getting in right around here, and then we just offered right back down to it. And so then I was like, well, we could go all the way back to the end log here. And so I went ahead and put on that NASDAQ position. And how it all ends up panning out right now, I don't know. But if we